Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's a quick video. It's to say thank you to all those 5,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching on my nonsense videos, rotary related, BMWs E46 related, valve jobs, torques, timing chains, timing belts, all those nonsense videos. Thank you. All those 5,000 subscribers. On the rotary side, what's coming? The Red Devil still on the bench. Is right now on hold because the customer run out of money, I'm guessing. Still gonna go 10.5 millimeters on the full stud, or maybe 11 millimeters full stud. We may gonna go on some little porting, maybe like a little I don't know, we can go even a bridge or like a little tiny eyebrow on the intake ports, on the iron plates. For the BMW followers, subscribers, or the ones seeking more on the E46 build 3.0 engine, which is the M54 B30. That one I haven't taken the engine apart, I haven't had time, I've been busy. So what I'll be doing on that one, we're gonna be getting better connecting rods, better crankshaft. We're gonna get some bigger cams for the head. We're gonna port and polish the head. But the main goal when I dynoed the car was almost close to 250 horsepower, which is stock power, stock engine. So my goal is going from 250 to even 340 to 350 horsepower. NA engine, non-turbo. So yeah, for all the ones following the M54, the A46 BMW build, stay tuned. There's more videos coming. The engine build, I'm gonna make the full list of all the parts it's gonna take for the 13B, the rotary guys out there. Still some builds there, and then the one I told you about the recycling build. I'm gonna get all the apex seal. They're good. I have laying around. I have plenty of parts, so that build is coming along too. So I've been getting a lot of inquiries for people, even from Arizona. One guy, I think it's NA3 or 3AN Hector or something, Hernandez. I don't know what was his username, I don't remember right now, but I mean, that guy offered driving from Arizona, I believe it is, or Phoenix, somewhere over there. So that's about it. That build is about to start, and then just give me some time. Just keep leaving your comment below, show me an email or whatever, and then I'll be picking the guy, the lucky one. He's gonna be the guinea pig. He's gonna let me, I'm gonna build that engine, and then all those parts are gonna be recycled parts that we should throw them away, but I'll make sure, of course, they're between Mazda specifications. So I'm gonna be building that engine, and then I'm gonna pick my lucky one. We're gonna put that engine on it. So just let me know. You guys have a 4-port, 6-port, automatic, manual. Let me know. And thank you again. This video is mainly for thank you all of you 5,000 subscribers. It's been a long way. 5,000 sounds like nothing, but to me it sounds like a million. But again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning, and then more builds and more good stuff coming up.